What's up y'all? Welcome back to another video. So I'm going to show you guys how I make sweet tea. So I just take these packets, and they actually have this string and tag on it. I ripped that off, and they end up looking just like this. And I put it in my coffee maker. Close it up. I add water to the top. Water going all over the place. And I slide it in and hit start. Alright, so the first thing of tea is done. I'm going to now pour it into the pitcher. Okay, so this is how I store my big thing of sugar. I have my big one and I have my small one that I have on the counter. Okay, so while the rest of the tea is cooking, I'm going to add my sugar. And I like to add at least 3 cups of sugar. See, that's not even looking like enough sugar to me. So I'm gonna add one more. When I say sweet tea, y'all, I mean sweet tea. Okay. Alright. Let me just go ahead and stir it up some. Now I know a lot of people like to they'll cook like half of the bee tea, and then they'll fill the rest with water. But I'm gonna reuse them bags of tea now, so that's why I boil it a second time. Like I get a second batch from the tea bags. Okay, so now I'm just going to pour the other half of the tea in here. And I'm not going to add no more sugar. I'm just going to stir it up. Stir it slow because it's going to waste out. And I'm going to stick it in the deep freezer or the freezer so it'll get cold. So that is how you make sweet tea. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.